Hello, I'm Manny from Hiperdist, and today I'll be doing a day in the life of me. So I start off the morning by getting to work. I usually take the train, but today trains weren't running, so I decided to take the bus. Because it was so lovely outside, I also decided to longboard to work, seeing as it's a bit faster and it's a lot more fun than walking. I did end up walking a bit through the woods for a change of scenery and got to see this lovely view of the buildings, seeing as the sky was so clear. But time to get straight into work, and I started off by reading my emails, checking SharePoint, and updating my Trello board. I also decided to do lighter and quicker tasks like updating documents, uploading files, and creating small designs that morning. After getting these done, I decided to make myself a cup of tea just to wake myself up a little bit more. But back into work, I decided to make a storyboard of the video you're currently watching and a few other things. However, those would be done later on in the afternoon. But now it's time for lunch, so I decided to walk over to my local Tesco, grab myself some sushi, and since the weather was so lovely, I decided to sit outside and enjoy the sun. Here you can see me sat behind the buildings, which I showed you earlier, with a field which is a bit more relaxing than sitting on a random bench. But I had to get back into the office, finished off this document, and decided to start doing a few animations. For example, this one animation I did on After Effects for a later video you'll probably see. But after all of that and a few designs later, it was time for me to go home. So I packed up my stuff, got my longboard, and decided to longboard down this hill because it was a lot more fun and a lot more interesting than walking down it. The sun was sadly gone, but it ended up coming back later. So, in conclusion, that was a pretty good and light day of work, and I hope to see you guys all again soon. Goodbye.